Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Robert, the Daily Trader. It is March 1st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So we broke 1194 today. So this is good news. So we closed at $12.18, up 33 cents. That's 2.78%. Post market, we are up 1 cent. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So let me change the color of this one here. That's a milestone in itself. So we have a green candle made a higher low from yesterday, a higher high also. We have a green candle this time. And the close on the green candle is at the top of the rectangle, of the green rectangle. So the close is right there. So we closed above 1194. This is a break of resistance. So depending on your level of risk, you can buy right now and say, yeah, we broke that resistance, so I am buying right now. So this is a possibility. One thing I like to do personally, and this is not financial advice, this is just what I do, is that I like to have stochastic over 60 at the same time as I have a break. So I might need to wait a day or two to get that stochastic over 60. So I am willing to wait. I am willing to take the chance that the stock might start to go up like crazy while it's getting me that stochastic at over 60. So I can chance that, or I can get in right now without the stochastic over 60 and the stock is going down. So this is the dilemma that we are in today. I know what I am going to do, but because money is such a personal thing, you need to figure out what you want to do. Let me go see the 1 hour chart first. So we broke 1194 on the 1 hour chart. So that's nice. Then we came back down very close to it, bounced on it. So at 1130, this can be seen as a bounce on 1194. So a confirmation of 1194 becoming support. So that's all nice and dandy. Then we went up and even broke. We had something at 1237, if I'm not mistaken. An intraday support at 1297, broke that a little bit, then came back down. And here we have a longer wick at the bottom and a very small body candle. So we can interpret this with the long wick at the bottom and no wick at the top. We can interpret this as the buyers are back in control because the stock came back down and the buyers brought it back up. And this is where it stayed. And on the stochastic on the 1 hour chart is still very healthy at 79. Everything is pretty good here. So I am feeling better that we crossed 1194 on the first candle and that we did not wait until the end of the day. I feel also good that we came back down and touched the support and then came back up again. And we are doing pretty much the same thing without going as low the second time here. So on the 1 hour chart, this is looking good. I also want to do something like this. This is the trend that we are in on the 1 hour chart. So all in all, yeah, and let me do its channel here. So I think I wanted to do the channel right here. I could do a double channel like this. But now this is a nice move. We could be going sideways here. We could be going sideways a little bit tomorrow, and we would still be on this upward channel. There's some leeway to have a little bit of a pause without getting crazy. Pretty good. Let's go see the indicators on the 1 hour chart. So stochastic at 52, we still don't have. We have yet to get our 60 right here. So maybe it's going to come tomorrow. MACD still crossed over bullish. RSI, we like it to have at above 50, but this one takes a little bit longer. So now pretty nice. And let me show you something about RSI. So with RSI, we can trace a trend line on the lows. This is going to tell us that starting January 27th, the strength in the stock was getting higher, even though the stock was getting lower. So this is what we call a divergence. RSI was making higher lows, even though the stock was not making higher lows. And one of the rule is that RSI is going to predict what is going to happen in the future. So we can say that this increasing RSI compared to this decreasing stock price was telling us that things were going to reverse. So far, this is looking like a textbook divergence. So very happy with Palantir. So maybe tomorrow we get the stochastic at over 60 just to decrease the risk a little bit. Maybe it's time to come back into Palantir. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a member. That will make me happy and you will get some little perks. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.